I'm very excited for today's video because we have another advent calendar. So I did say in my W7 advent calendar that I probably wouldn't be picking up another one, but this one was just too good to kind of turn down. So this is the BeautyCrop mini 25-day advent calendar. So we do have a larger size, which is also 25 days. That is £70, I believe, and this is £35. So I actually got this at a much cheaper, like affordable kind of price as well, because I had some vouchers and some money up to kind of use. And so I picked this up. I think I got it for like £28 or something, which for 25 items, especially from a brand that I really, really like, is like a bargain for me. So I'm so excited. It's been kind of like a few months since I've picked up anything from BeautyCrop because they always have some kind of sale on, and they always have like 60% off and 80% off and stuff. I've always said it's a bit weird how they're always on sale. But yeah, this is a 25 days and it's a mixture of skincare and makeup. This is the outer box, so I love the kind of cherry style because I've seen some things on their TikTok, especially when they're live. Like a lot of their stuff is like cherry based. So if you're kind of not into that kind of flavour or scent, it's probably not for you. I know you're not going to eat it, but some people don't really like cherry. But yeah, I like the cocktails on the front, and then on the back it just says 25 days mini festive countdown. So on that 25 days of mini delights from the Beauty Crop filled with bestsellers, exclusive treats, and unreleased gems across makeup, skincare, and body care, fragrance, and more. Each item is perfectly sized for travel on the go, travel for travel or on the go moments, ideal for sampling, gifting, or simply indulging in something new every day. So I'm so excited. I've been a fan of Beauty Crop ever since they came to Superdrug like 5 years ago, maybe even longer than that. And they used to have their kind of eyeshadow palettes that were themed around cocktails and stuff. If you guys have been watching my channel since then, Luther, I doubt it. I reviewed quite a few of those palettes, which I absolutely loved. So let's kind of get into it. This is the outer slipcase, which is pretty cute, and then it opens up like this, which is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna try my best to get what I can in frame because I live in such an awkward space. Yeah, this is how it comes out. It's in 3 different sections, and on the back, it's just more beautiful illustrations of like cocktails and stuff. So you got the cherries, you got this as well. Okay, so let's start with door number 1, which is on this side. These are a little bit difficult to get out. I don't want to be really loud because my baby's asleep, so I'm going to try my best to not be super loud. But the first item you get is a glow milk. So this is a mini glow milk. It's so cute. This is in the shade Prosecco. So this is a liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, okay. It looks exactly like a flower. So this is Prosecco mini liquid eyeshadow, and this is absolutely stunning. Let's go on to date number 2. We have a Cherie Radiance Boost Gel Cleanser. So I know, like I said, in the bigger one, like there's so much theme around cherries. I'm pretty sure it's the same with this one. I haven't tried anything in a Cherie collection. It does look really nice. So this is a gel cleansing booster. So this is step number 1, which is cleanse. So maybe you get all the different steps, who knows. So yeah, that's date number 2. And then let's go on to date number 3. I didn't think we were going to get this so early, but it's a mini eyeshadow palette. So this is the Cherie Noir mini eyeshadow palette. That is so exciting. I know in the bigger one you get an eyeshadow palette a larger size. So I'm just going to quickly look at this because I can imagine the shades are going to be right up my street. Wow. So yeah, you get a white, kind of like a nice kind of deep red, and 2 shimmers. That is so cute. I didn't think we were getting anything this early. But yeah, mini eyeshadow palette is in day number 3. And then you have day number 4. Yep, so this is the number 3 in your skincare routine. So this is the Cherie Radiance Boost Moisturizer. So yeah, Radiance Moisturizer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So obviously it's got cherry extract, hyaluronic acid, So step number 3, put some dots on the day. Number 5 is a tiny one at the bottom. I'm thinking it might be like a lip liner or something. Oh no. This is the BFF Brow Cleanse Forever. I remember using this quite a few years ago when it came out. So yeah, this is essentially like a clear brow gel. I do quite like it. It's a nice, kind of simple brow gel. It's not anything too crazy over the top. It's just something nice and simple. So that was day number 5. And then day number 6. We have 2 items in one doll. So the first item is a lip cream. So this is a lip line in the shade Cherry Noir. So this is a really tiny lip liner, but it's perfect because these lip liners are so good. And then with it we have a mini lip oil. So this is Cherry Noir mini lip oil. So I'm guessing these are meant to be used together, which is pretty cool. I haven't tried their lip oils just yet, but the lip liners are so good. So that was day number 6. Day number 7 is just here. So this is the mini blotting powder. Ooh, I've not tried the blotting powders before. They seem quite interesting. Oh yes, so it's so cute. So yeah, I actually was going to buy one of these, but I forgot to pick one up when it was on sale. So this is a mini blotting powder. So yeah, we'll definitely be using that in a video to see how it works. But this is a talc-free setting powder that sets makeup. So that was day number 7. Next we have day number 8. Ooh, the first thing that I can't use. So this is a bath bomb. So this is a Weisheri mini fragrance bath bomb. I unfortunately don't have a bath where I live. I would probably have to give this to my sister or someone because she has a bath. I don't. If I could use it in the shower, that would have been pretty cool. But unfortunately, I don't. So day number 8 is a bath bomb. Let's get on to day number 9, just like here. Some mini eye brushes. So you get 3. These are so tiny. I mean, it's handy again, like it says on the box, good for traveling. And I don't really travel, but just quick on the go type thing. So you get 3 little brushes, which I guess are pretty cute. I would definitely use these. So yeah, these are the brushes. And this one for sure is great. This is a nice flat one in a corner one that I can use. So I mean, it's not the best, but it's still pretty handy. Go on to day number 10. Okay, so these are a set of 4 hair and body fragrance mist samples. That is pretty cool. So you get one Weisheri Poppy Colada Days and Cherry Noir. Let's have a quick look. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I'll just take out one. There's no point taking out all of them. So Poppy Peony is this one. I might give it a quick smell because it's got jasmine, lily of the valley. I have no idea. Peach pear and musk. So that's really pleasant. I didn't know they had fragrances. I don't know if that's something new that they're coming out with in the future. That would be very exciting to find out. But yeah, the fact that it's like hair and body fragrances, which are really cute. Yeah, I'll definitely give the rest of these a smell later. Let's go and start number 11. Oh, I know everything's mini, but it's so cute. So this is a hydrating lip treatment in chocolate mint. So I've not tried these before, so I'm very intrigued. They're always on sale as well, and I believe they've got a couple of different versions of these lip treatments. So yeah, that was day number 11. Day number 12 is still Huel. So this is a powdered blush. So this is the luminous powdered blush in is their shade Delightful. So I have one of these already, which are absolutely stunning. They're really pigmented and they're very beautiful. They look just like this. So it's a really kind of like sugary. If you want something that's like a blush highlighter, kind of little duo, then these are perfect. So that was day number 12. We have day number 13. So we have the Weisheri Gripping Primer. I've not tried this one. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. The other whipping primers are really nice, and yeah, this is such a gorgeous color as well. And everyone is doing like whipping primers. It's kind of died down a bit, but I guess because this is an older product that they're just putting in here. But yeah, this was number 13. Let's get to number 13. Just start here. So this is setting powder. So this is their vitamin A setting powder in translucent. So this is perfect because translucent can be used hopefully for everyone as long as it doesn't leave like a white cast behind. But yeah, I've not tried this before and it's been on my to try list, so this is perfect. So this is a vitamin based setting powder. Day number 15. Let's just put that aside. We have another lip liner in the shade Cupcake. So I mean, it seems slightly similar to the other one, which is fine, I guess. I mean, that one's a little bit deeper. This is quite light. It's more of a pinkier kind of tone. But yeah, another lip liner. That's fine. Number 16. Let's have a look. We have a setting spray. So this is the Visually Hydrating Setting Mist. So I've not tried any of their setting kind of setting sprays. I've tried a setting, another kind of setting, it's just like a Huel blue one, which is absolutely stunning. I still use it to this day. But yeah, this is again part of the Cherie line, and it's got hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So that was day number 16. Oh, number 17. I think this is a new product. So this is a weightless Wonder airbrush primer. That's very interesting because even the packaging, like I've never seen this sort of packaging before. So this is suitable for all skin types. It is enriched with caffeine, cucumber, and water. So yeah, it seems like it's just your standard primer, but I guess it's a brand new one. So that was day number 17. 18 is just teeny tiny one, just so this is a glow up highlighter. So this is the highlighter. So this is in the shade Rose Glow. So these are really nice. I think I have another mini one, but this is quite deep. So this is a bit more of a kind of deeper tone, which is great for I guess most skin types. You can just use like a tiny amount, but they tend to be really nice and pigmented. So that was day number 18. Number 19, we're getting closer to the end now. We have a peptide calm lip treatment in sugar plum. So this is the second version of like the peptide family. So this is before, and this is obviously the one for now. So yeah, this is in sugar plum, and I guess you can never have too many lip treatments. It's good to kind of, especially in the cold weather, you just kind of the lips are going to be dry and stuff. So yeah, that was number 19. Okay, number 20 is a tiny just sweet. So this is a glowing liquid blush. Oh my god! So this is in the shade Cherry Ice, and I've not really seen this one before. So this is like stunning red, but it's got like some kind of glitter in there as well, which is pretty cute. So yeah, that was day number 20. Day 21. So this is a hand cream. So this is the mini hydrating hand cream in the Sherry Noir range. So I haven't smelled this before. It's got the metal on there, so I'm not going to open it just because I don't know when I'm going to use it. But yeah, so enriched with cherry extract and shea butter. So I don't know if the rest of the skincare range is going to be in here. But I mean, we've got a couple of days left. Let's see. But a hand cream is a nice touch. It's gone to 22. A body wash. Very nice. So this is again the Sherry Noir range. So this is a mini hydrating body wash. So yeah, this is a body wash. I mean, I have way too many body washes at the moment, but this is a new one, so I'm pretty sure I'll get through this really quickly. But yeah, I'm sure it's just as nice as the rest of the range. Oh, this is open. That's weird. Maybe it appears to open, I have no idea. But it's alright. It's not really strong, but I'm sure when you start lathering it up, it will get quite like the smell will be quite strong. So yeah, that was number 22. This is a body wash. So that's almost done. So let's go on to 23. Just doing at the bottom here. I've not seen this before. So this is a sculpt and lift mascara. So this is a mini Sherry Noir one. So I'm assuming it's red. I mean, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's open it quickly and have a look, because I've not tried their mascaras before and I've not really heard anything about them, so I don't know if they're any good or anything. So yes, it is. It's like a burgundy shade. That's cool. I mean, coloured mascaras don't really work for me that well because they just, I don't know, my eyelashes are too dark, but that's quite interesting. So I'll see if I can add a primer or something on top. That was day number, I think number 23. 2 days left now, so let's go on to 24. This is the weightless one. So this is a glossy lip tint in the shade Regal Rose. So I have not tried this formula before, so this is quite interesting. So yeah, a lip tint, I'm sure it will kind of stain a little bit, which is quite nice. That seems to be like the big thing at the moment when it comes to lip products. But yeah, that's nice and cute. And then the day we have been waiting for, day number 25. Let's see what we have. Okay. So this is a setting mist. So this is the airbrush blowing setting mist. So this is again kind of similar to that primer. So I think they're part of the same range. Yeah, so we've got the airbrush primer and then you've got the setting mist, which is pretty interesting. So I guess this might be a new range or again an unreleased one that they mentioned at the beginning. But yeah, that's pretty interesting. I mean, for the last day, setting this is probably not the most exciting. I would have preferred maybe the eyeshadow palette to be last because that always tends to be the most exciting. Yeah, that was everything that I got in this calendar. I'm really happy that I picked this up because as much as I wanted to get the bigger one, I just couldn't afford it. It's just like £70 to me is a lot of money. And so I thought, you know what, I'm glad that they made a small, cheaper alternative because not everyone can afford it. And as much as I want to buy some other advent calendars, it's just kind of not foreseeable for me to do that. But I'll be using all of these products, of course, apart from the bath one. Won't have a chance to. But let me know what you think. Have you picked up this calendar? What do you think of it? Do you think it's worth the money? Especially £35. Because again, that's not affordable. Like the W7 one was 10, like £20, and that was pretty good. But yeah, I love BeautyCrop and I've been a fan for a long time. And you know, in the future they come up with a lot more stuff. But maybe in the next calendar they can focus on different scents apart from just the cherry one. Yeah, let me know what you think and thank you so much for watching. I hope it hasn't been too kind of deep, like dark. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!